Welcome once again to the Daily Message. As I said yesterday, through most of this week, I will be offering reflections about what God calls us to do and to be in this year of faith, 2020, especially in light of the fact that this is an election year. So today, I want to reflect on the Beatitude, "Blessed are the peacemakers." We know we are living in an environment, a political and social environment that is divisive, where there is a lot of name calling, where there is, quite frankly, quite a bit of verbal violence committed by some people against others. And so, what is our call in this kind of environment? I think we're called to engage in conversation in such a way that we always remain civil, that we engage in conversations on the subject, that stay on a topic rather than resorting to name calling, that we keep our conversations on the issues themselves. There is, I think, a great need for us as Catholic Christians, when we engage in conversation, to search for common ground, not necessarily the middle ground, not some kind of half-hearted, diluted middle ground, but rather common ground. Is there something that we can agree upon? Is there something that we can say, yes, we have this in common? So I guess in conclusion, I believe that political discussion need not be an act of war. Political discussion can be a ground where mutual learning can take place, where mutual respect can be the hallmark of that kind of discussion. We are called to be peacemakers. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day today.